I just discovered an online app that is making $26,000 per month.
Habibi, $26,000 a month is good money, don't you think?
And the person that built it has no coding experience.
I love it. And I'm sure you love it too.
And used an AI app builder to create it. Today, I'm going to reveal what this app is that's making $26,000 per month and how he built it even though he's not a programmer.
So, it seems like a little work. I mean, he built it. Is that what you are thinking? If you are too concerned about the technicalities in this video, don't worry about it. It is less technical than your next trending funny cat video that you want to watch. Let me show you something. You see this account on Warrior Plus? It is one of my accounts. And all this money on the far right column are revenues generated from each product. I mean, $185,000, $136,000, $332,000, total $5.6 million, and $471,000 in recurring revenue. All these came from softwares. Yes, they are my softwares, apps, applications, and I do not know a single line of coding. I never coded in my life ever. If I can pull this off and make $5.6 million from one account on Warrior Plus and basically made over $10 million selling all digital products online, it's pretty much sure that most of you are more intelligent than I am and you can do it faster than I did. So lower your ego a little bit and keep watching this video because this is all about money for you.
However, as I did my research, I got so fascinated with this idea of AI-assisted programming that I decided to build my own tool. I'm going to build this tool right in front of you, and I truly have no coding experience. The tools are available to make your ideas into reality. In this video, I'm going to give you the...
Well, now he started an advertisement of the tool that he's going to use. We don't want to hear that. Somebody actually made
$1,000 per month. Let me introduce you to FormulaBot.com. FormulaBot was created by David Bressler because he was constantly being asked by his coworkers how to do different tasks and formulas in Microsoft Excel.
That's a problem. Money always starts from problem or pain. And most people spend money to buy painkillers or buy products that they think they need to solve their problem. However, this case was a bit different. This guy didn't have to spend money. He actually wants to save his time and sanity. So just to save himself from all the hundreds of Excel related problems he was getting from his colleagues, he used to come home and try and find out a solution for those problems. And he built this application called FormulaBot. We know money is a byproduct of giving first. And that's why we make these videos every single day. And we make them as valuable as possible so you get inspired and inshallah you get results. If one person get results, one person get inspired, we will consider ourselves, our effort as successful. But we cannot do it without your help. We need you to engage in this video, like this video, ask questions in the comments, share with your friends and family, and important, subscribe to our channel. If you engage, then YouTube will consider our content as important content and they will share with more and more people, and inshallah more and more people will get the benefit. And if that happens, you will also be the part of the blessings. So go ahead, like, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe as well. We have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 30 days, and we cannot do it without your help. I'll give you a second to take action. Done? Let's go.
So, what exactly does FormulaBot do today? Well, it's a chatbot that lives directly in your Excel spreadsheet. If you aren't sure how to create a formula, you just type and ask FormulaBot for help. FormulaBot will then create the formula for you and make your spreadsheet work how you want it to. In addition, FormulaBot will do data analysis on your spreadsheet and provide insights into trends, data, and more. And the pricing plans range anywhere from $0 to $35 per month.
So the people who have this Excel problem are paying $0 to $35 a month to solve their Excel problem. Did you notice where I'm going? This one is a P, this one is a P, and this one is also a P. There are lots of P's here.
In a recent interview, David revealed that his business is now making around $26,000 per month. His story is such an inspiration for what is possible.
Not for the people who want to skip this video and watch the next trending funny cat video. So don't be that guy and keep watching. I have some surprises for you. At this point, you want to know how this software was built without coding. Because if you can't do it, then what is the use of watching this video? David used a software called Bubble.io. If you want to learn how to use Bubble.io, go to YouTube. Don't go anywhere else and search Bubble.io tutorial. The whole Bubble world will open in front of you. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. And I will tell you a trick. If you ever see the software you are trying to learn has a YouTube channel, don't forget to visit their YouTube channel, subscribe to it, and watch all the videos. They have a lot, by the way. 434 videos, you don't need to learn all of them. Instead, you can go to ChatGPT and dictate, I want to learn Bubble.io and I have absolutely no idea about it. I'm a complete beginner. Please guide me step by step. How can I use Bubble.io and make my first working application? ChatGPT will transcribe on your behalf. Free transcriber. And in fact, the best of the best on the planet. Then hit enter. Let AI work for you. And look at this. It's giving you steps. It's giving you links. It's giving you everything you need in order to start learning and then start using and then make your first working application. ChatGPT is even asking you, would you like a free YouTube tutorial link for each of these steps or a checklist PDF for tracking your progress? I will say yes to YouTube tutorial links. And now ChatGPT is searching on my behalf. Look at this. My friend, this is 2025. What is stopping you from learning and making money? Some of you are saying, Mosh, I'm still confused. How do I make money? Where is the money? Show me the money. Listen, Habibi, in order to make money, you need to go back to the P's. There are two more P's. We were at the pay, but people pay for what? They pay for the product that solves their problem. Question is, who make the product? You can call them producer or programmer or product creator. I'm gonna just keep it as is. Let's say pro. All are pros here. But there is a problem. You see, you are just watching this video and you're already tired. You want to go and watch the next funny cat video. Think about these producers, programmers, or product creators. I mean, the pros. How much time do they have after producing the product? Zero. Zilch. Nada. And that's why producers, product creators, programmers, the pros need help with finding the people, which means marketing. There is a great solution for that. But before that, we want to know what David did. You see, you can't just build a tool and
Expected to start making over $20,000 per month without doing any marketing. David put in a ton of effort into marketing to make his app a success. Later in this video, I'm going to share what marketing David did to make his app a success. But first,
no, my friend, we want to know what David did for marketing right now. I'm going to quickly scroll through the transcript to find the marketing methods on your behalf, my viewers. See, I'm a good friend. I'm working for you. The same way we work for our 99% done for you program members, like Rachel. Made multiple $500 commissions, sitting, sleeping, living a lazy life because we are doing 99% of the work. Same happened to Jody. She lives in UK, doesn't work at all. I mean, I'm joking. She has a day job and she's a busy mom. She doesn't have time to make money online. So we do 99% of the work for her. Same as Chrisleen, living in Vietnam. She has a 9-to-5 day job. She made multiple $300, $500 commissions. And I can go on, show you these wonderful members of our 99% done for you program. Like Usman, what does he do? Yeah, he has a 9-to-5 day job and he lives in Turkey, but he loves to travel. Usman traveled to over 150 countries. Can you imagine that? He made tons of these commissions. Oh, it's Chrisleen again. Daniel is a medical student living in Pakistan. If he can do it, you can do it too. Unlike all other Instagram gurus, I'm not gonna tell you that it is for you. I cannot guarantee that. All I can guarantee is that our program is a transparent program. Everyone started from watching this training video. It's a free training video, and before you even think about joining our program, you should watch this training video completely from start to end. This way you learn the whole business model, what we do, how we make money, and how we help busy folks just like yourself earn $500 commissions. And after watching this video, if you still have questions, feel free to ask this AI chat agent. It will answer just like me. If you're not happy, not satisfied, DM me on Instagram or shoot me a message on Facebook Messenger. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. So, where is the link to this training? It's in the description below this video. You have absolutely no excuse for not knowing how to make money using a 99% done for you system. Now let's go and check how David did his marketing. Yes, I found it. David did
some basic marketing. What did David do to go from $0 to $26,000 per month? First, he told all of his coworkers and the people he knew personally that might benefit from using Excel easier. They loved his product and started using it.
So the first one was word of mouth. Who are these people? His colleagues who used to bug him every day for Excel related problems. Now they are his first target. Bravo, David.
Then he found the Excel community on Reddit and shared what he built. Within a week, his post blew up and tons of people shared his idea.
If you don't know Reddit, don't worry, that's my job. Go to reddit.com. Now on this top search bar, search with Excel. Go to the communities and you will find these communities. Look at the first one, 786,000 members. Woo! All these people are looking for some kind of help related to Excel. What do you need to do? Exactly what I am doing, helping. Go join, help with your skills, and when they start following you, start loving you, tell them about your software. In fact, Excel is such a popular topic because it is full of big problems. If you go to TikTok and search for Excel related users, you will find people with 2.5 million followers, 500,000 followers, 1.3 million followers, 1 million followers. Go and check it out. What they're doing, do exactly what they do, build your own following.
So you need to go where your community congregates and tell as many people as possible. Then he posted in the Internet is Beautiful subreddit, and that really put his app on the map. Then he started running Google ads and doing SEO and started getting even more customers. He has continued to hustle and find other ways to talk about his product wherever he can on podcasts, YouTube channels, social media, and more.
Actually, you just need one hint on how you want to start. Then you follow that hint, take action, and then expand slowly. You do not always need to do what others are doing. Yes, you can start by mimicking others, but as one person army, you can take one action at a time. But you, my friend, have to take this action. Now let us consider you absolutely don't have time to create your own application. You just watched this video because I asked you to. Don't worry, I got you covered. I'm gonna tell you what's here and how you can make money without creating anything. But before that, let me show you what you can start with even without this bubble.io. Go to ChatGPT and say what you want to achieve and ask ChatGPT to code a software for you. I did it just now. I asked ChatGPT to create a bot for my reaction videos because reaction videos make us passive income. And ChatGPT coded something for me. I used Claude and asked the same thing. Claude coded the complete software for me. It's a chatbot. It will help users with reaction videos. And then I said, I am a complete beginner. Can I get this working only with your help without any external help? And now Claude AI wrote a complete step-by-step tutorial for me. How I'm going to use this code, install it, and make this application work. Is it going to work? I don't know. I haven't tested yet. But if I take this full package to a programmer and ask for a little guidance, or at least just set aside 1 hour per day and follow the steps one by one, I'm going to be able to make it work. And if I totally fail, I can take this whole thing and go to a programmer, ask for help. And then with a little bit of Reddit marketing, a little bit of TikTok marketing, I can start making money. Alright, so what is the last piece that you can start making money without going through this hassle? It is called affiliate marketing. As an affiliate marketer, all you need to do is to create helpful content. Use AI, make short videos, upload them on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. These guys will send you traffic, viewers, and these viewers will go through your AI-powered automated sales funnel. This sales funnel will do the selling on your behalf, and when there is a sale, you earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. That's what we do, and beginner members of our 99% done for you program do, and make this kind of commission. If you don't know where to start from this training video. Link is in the description. Go watch it and take action. It is a 99% done for you program. You don't need to worry about the technical hassle. And if you have questions, you know where to find me. See you there. If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family. Because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life, and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.